Whoa!
It's Friday, 5:30 in the morning. I'm going for adventure. Oh my god, look at this beard.
Look at this beard. What's up, bro?
What's up? You ready? Did you get drone?
No.
No, fucking drone.
No drone.
Okay. No drone. Oh, you're charging. Did you take your shot? It was good?
It's okay.
You liked it?
Love it.
Did you talk?
I got when I shot it, I instantly got like 20 subscribers.
No. They were like,
I got
it's the
started
best
getting
shot
likes.
I've ever seen.
Started getting likes right away.
So that's our plane right there. The pilot is inside already smoking joint. I can see it.
If you have a Note 7 in your checked or carry-on baggage, or if you're carrying one on your person, please see us here at the podium. We appreciate your cooperation.
It's 1 hour and 40 minutes, and the local weather
1 hour and 40 minutes.
7 degrees.
Nice. So, if you guys are trying to travel and you have no patience, 1 hour and 40 minutes is the right time for you. So, we're about to be out.
Flight attendants, all doors are closed.
We're about to munch out. Look how
Let's
Stan
get
got
it.
excited.
Let's get it.
So excited.
Let's get it.
That it's so weird. It's raining. Really? Yeah, we'll take a walk. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day.
Yeah.
He said we can take a walk, so we're walking to the scooter rentals, right?
Your watch is gonna be like 4 miles.
Well, you can Google it, no? Just walk.
Yeah, I can actually look it up.
Just try it.
Because this is not a paid ad, but T-Mobile actually works here. I have
It's not a
roaming.
paid ad. I'm not gonna give you the name of my mobile provider. I'm gonna beep this.
And it doesn't
I'm
work
gonna
here.
cut this, but it doesn't work here. My phone is on airplane mode. I've heard stories about narrow roads of Bermuda Island, but this is too freaking narrow. And imagine me and Stan walking somewhere there
Yeah, the sidewalk.
by
is
the
included.
wall. That motherfucker. Yeah.
All right. And your key ignition to the left
Okay.
unlock.
Okay.
All right.
And no airbags, you sure about that?
No airbags.
Okay. Apparently my scooter skills suck. But I'll practice some more.
Rusty loose ass chain, never been maintained.
I'm getting better.
Never had an oil change, bolt together with duct tape. Yak bike!
Okay, Stan, let's go. I'm ready.
Yo, Taras, come on, man. That's why we can't have nice things, guys.
Hi, how are you? Could you help us? We're looking for this Admiralty Park and cliff diving thing. Where you? Yeah, Admiralty House. We're gonna look for some cliff. And I need to change because I cannot dive in these shorts. Hopefully there's no one there on the cliff, so I can show my winner to the nature.
Incredible!
Grave?
Looks like it.
It does look like grave.
Almost like I want to be buried at on the beach, where people are like hanging out and barbecuing, having fun. Some sick fuck, man. The lifeguard found his destiny, his buoy.
I was looking for this baby. I was looking for it so long.
You got it, man.
It's been 2 years. 2 years since I was holding it last time.
Taras, you know where we're going, right?
Yeah, I know where we're going. It's like a small town. Let's go.
Yo, this place is tiny, man.
This place
We're
is like
going like
space.
55 miles an hour, and this thing maxes out at like probably like 65.
My scooter is choking when I'm driving.
Yeah, dude.
Rock and roll.
All right, let's do this. We're going. Where are we going? Caves? Some caves?
Cave paths.
All right. Она нам дает бесплатные билеты на завтра. Потому что мы приехали, а они были закрыты. Закрываются через 10 минут.
Бесплатно было?
Да. Как ее Су?
Все.
Sue, thank you very much.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Let's go to the gift shop.
Tomorrow.
Is
Oh,
gift
is-
shop still open?
Oh, you can check it. You can check and see.
What's your step?
Alright.
So no crab tonight, huh?
You guys get on tour?
No, we actually came late. They didn't let us in. But they gave us complimentary tickets for tomorrow, so it's all good.
I go around there.
Hey Sonny, how's it going, Sonny?
Let's do a 10 to 2.
Hey Sonny!
Make the dance with your woman. Show her that you are a real man. Forward, forward and back. Forward, forward and back. Make the dance with your woman. Show her that you are a real man. Forward, forward and back. Forward, forward and back.
The beer was not fit to drink, so we had to add some whiskey. It's time to party. Cameras off.